Gugo lang haban, haja, gano'n. Tapos, ayun, stay happy, stay enjoy your channel, and then, lablabin lang natin lahat, ayan, magpasaya, more videos, organic videos, upload, ayan, keep going, ayan, everyday, basta, mag-pray ako, alam mo naman, ang busy ng pamilya at Simple sa Amerika, bingko dito, palar dito, kuskus darang dito, kaya ganun din ang buhay. So, ayan, once again, happy day for your monetization day, ayan, one day makasupport ako sa'yo kung hindi ako busy, ayan, alam mo naman ang pamilya, ayan, yun na, wala na ako, ayan, congratulations, Ben Marie, ang inyong pamilya, ayan, bye guys. Come to my Grand LS, everybody welcome. Simple Leia sa America, Grand LS to get when 10,000 pesos.
VIENE Marie! Agay! Gwapa ko, day. Kumusta man ka diyan atong kagwapa, day VIENE? Agay. Day VIENE, congrats sa imuha, day VIENE. Oy, ginoong ka, namuha na nagyan ka, day VIENE. Di maayon ni. Sa una lang, parang kailan lang, day VIENE, no? Nga, magchat-chata sa una, gagmay pa kay tag mga balay, wapata na nga muni, o karon day. Na muni na gitaan ni tanan, day. Congratulations sa imuha, day. Happy kay ko sa imuha, day. Unta, day. Lalo pa mag-grow ang imong channel, day. Unta, daghan po kag palipad permi ana good og unta magkuan pa ka para daghan pa tag makaila ani no connections. Yes, so mao na nga kanang support lang tanara pud mi permanente sa imuhang ga-support sa imuha day VIENE. Thank you kaayo kay isa ko sa imuhang napili as mag-rate sa imuha as being a monetized channel. Congratulations sa imo day VIENE. God bless. I love you. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to VIENE channel. Okay, danap sa luya-luy. This is it, pansit. Isa ka ng monetized channel. Ang masasabi ko sa'yo, ang paulit is congratulations. At saka, I know masaya ka. Another milestone to celebrate in the Lolo's wide world. At saka, congratulations kasi isa sa, nung alam natin na isa sa goal natin, bakit tayo gumagawa ng isang channel para para isang legit na monetized channel. Kaya ito na. So, lalab sa kuya ko hindi ko na to pahahabain pa, masaya ka para sa'yo dahil nakikita ko rin yung pagsisikap mo na para makamit mo yung requirements ni Lolo. So, congratulations and I am happy for you. At salamat din sa mga suporta na binigay mo sa aming mga channel. Sa Team Masayahin, sa Team Puyaters, at sa iba pang mga grupo. So, I love you and keep going and growing your channel, and I know tumutulong ka rin sa aming mga WS. So, thank you and God bless your channel. I love you.
Hi! Hello, day VIENE Marie. Agagagin ako tabang mga langit. Hello, day. I'm happy for you, day. At last, finally, naging monetize na din yung channel mo. Tapos, naging certified vlogger na rin sa wakas. So, bago niyan, pasalamatan muna natin si Ate Jake Gaviola. Agagagin ko tabang mga langit. Ate Jake, salamat talaga, ate. Ikaw talagang naging daan po bago namin makamit yung mga pinapangarap namin. Ate Jake, salamat talaga, Ate Jake. Ikaw naging daan po namin bago nakilala namin sila si Nanay Miss Love TV. Ate, kaya thank you so much talaga, ate. Di ko talaga maubos yung pasalamat ko sa iyo, te. Ay, naku, ginukot ko tabang mga langit. O, ayan po, Nanay Miss Love TV, tapos kay Chica Viola, Master Ochi, Sir Bambi Rarican. Agoy, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo po na napag-radio na po si VIENE Marie. Maraming thank you po sa inyo lahat talaga na andyan po kayo. Nag-usap po, tumulong po sa amin, lalo na po sa mga small YouTuber tulad namin. Kaya thank you so much po sa inyo talaga. Kaya ayan po, VIENE Marie, huwag kalimutan po yung mga taong nakatulong sa atin sa paligid. Always stay humble, always stay fit on the ground. Tapos huwag kalimutan talaga pasalamatan, lalo na sa poong may kapal na nakamit na natin yung mga pinapangarap natin, no? So ayan, stay humble ka nun na yan. Di mag-change from the start up to now. And then, good luck to your next journey, day. Yun lang, day. At saka, thank you for the friendship, day. And Ingat-ingat dyan. Love you, Day. Thank you so much for the friendship at saka sa pag-invite nito sa opportunity. Kaya thank you so much, Day. Bye!
Hello, Vienne Marie. How are you? Pretty Vienne. Yes, here you are. And I would just like to start my congratulatory message to you by giving our classmates or other small YouTubers like us a little backgrounder kung paano tayo nagkita. Yes, Vienne Marie isang masipag na YouTuber at pumunta siya sa aming LS ng aking kambal. She visited our LS, Romilly Chua. And there, I think it was just 4th or 5th LS, during our 4th LS na nagkita kami. And we suggested that since she is a new YouTuber, she needs WH, she needs bananas, and we advise her to visit the channel of our mentor, William Tangonan, Kuya Will. Yes. And from that, she made William Tangonan channel her home. And with all those good qualities, Vienne Marie, that you possess, no wonder that you will go places. You have the qualities of being determined. You are resilient. Yes, you are like a gold habang sinusunog. Lalong kumikinang. You have the right attitude. And of course, patience is there, hindi nawawala. You have been tested. Kasi during Lolo's mukbang, nagkaroon tayo ng autumn dito sa Whitey World, di ba? Lagas-lagas, but just the same, dumiretso ka. Walang nakatinag sa'yo. And from there, lahat ng good qualities that you possess, ginawa mong tulay para marating mo kung saan ka ngayon. And remember what happened during your first LS. Nakakatuwa ka talaga, kapatid. You don't like to face your moderators. You were so reluctant. Pero ginawa mong challenge yan para sa'yo. The hardest thing really is to start. Sabi nga nila, yung pag-uumpisa. Pero pag nasanay ka na, mani-mani na lang yun, di ba? And in doing so, lahat ng mga live streams mo, you have overcome it. Tinalo mo yung takot, tinalo mo yung nervyos. And there you go. Your live streams progressed. Look at you now. Nasaan ka na ba ngayon? Ang galing-galing mo, sisi. And for sure, all your friends, your relatives, especially your family, your loved ones, are so proud of you. And so are we, your virtual friends. We are proud. We're so happy for you, sisi. Yes. You got us to catch your back. We are just here to support you. We are just here to give you strength whenever you need them. You need it, yes. And to lift you up whenever you're down. When challenges are on your way, andito lang kami, Vienne. Masarap ang mundo ng YT. Dito makikita mo yung tunay mong mga kaibigan at napakarami. Isa ka na doon. And we love you for that, for being your true self to everyone. I hope I convey my message loud and clear. With all your potentials, you can do it. And welcome to the second world, or to the second level of the YT world, being a monetized channel. Threshold, kayang-kaya mo yun. So, at this point in time, I would just like to congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. My heartfelt congratulations. And good luck. God bless you more. And lastly, be grateful always for all those successes, big or small. Love you, sis.
Hi, Vienne pa! Congratulations kasi isa ka ng monetized channel. Yun lang, masaya-masaya kami kasi naabot mo na rin ang pinakaminit nating mga YouTubers, which is ang pagiging isang monetized channel. At sana ay lumago pa ang iyong channel at more videos to come. At sana malagpasan mo si Ivana Alawin na million ang kanyang viewers. At Vienne, maraming salamat kasi isa ako sa nabigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-congratulate sa'yo. Congratulations again. At maalam ko na makaka-relax na ating fans dyan kasi yung parang hindi na tayo pressure sa WH, di ba? Happy kami para sa iyo at alam mo, proud ako sa iyo kasi
kaya mong i-handle kahit anumang lahi yung pumasok sa LS mo, kaya mo silang i-entertain, tapos napaka-masayahin mo kahit alam ko kahit sino sa atin ay may mga problema, pero proud ako sa'yo kasi na-handle mo siya, tapos wala lang, masaya ka lang. Ayun, tapos nagpapasalamat ako kasi alam mo yung kahit hindi pa tayo nakikita, madadama natin yung friendship kahit in person, kahit hindi pa tayo nakikita in person, parang matagal na tayong magkakilala through sa YT world. Kaya thank you so much sa friendship, at thank you so much sa pagbibigay ng aliw sa mga ka-fems dyan. Masaya ako na naging party kayo ng aking YT world. Ayun. Tapos maraming salamat kasi andyan kayo nakasuporta sa amin, at ayun, sana ay lumago pa ang iyong channel. Basta yun lang din, go pa! Happy lang kami. Yun lang. Happy lang. Walang ending. At sana ay maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, ka Ate Fan, ka Ate Nors, lahat ng mga tumutulong sa amin, kasi alam mo na, medyo malayo pa sa finishing line. Pero dahil andyan kayo, alam namin na palagi kayo sumusuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat talaga. At yun lang, more power, more blessings to your channel. At sana ay yun lang, lumago pa siya. At wala na ako ibang masabi, basta happy lang ako, VIENE, go pa! Hindi na busy ang femlets. Goodbye and good luck! Bye-bye!
Hi everyone! Hi Familat! Monetize channel ka na. Keep it up. Good luck and God bless. I'm happy for you. Tris ko ng Familat. Bye-bye!
We welcome you to a new level of experience. On behalf of Cyber and the team, would like to welcome you to the spotlight and let you take the lead. Congratulations, VIENE Marie, and best wishes to your channel.
Hello everyone, it's Grace V. Otley here. Today's video is about a greeting to congratulate one of my sister here in YouTube. Her name is VIENE Marie, and she is finally one of the certified blogger in YouTube channel. So today I'd like to congratulate my sister from a different mother, or rather parents. Congratulations sis love for your being a monetized channel, and I hope your channel will grow bigger and one day you'll succeed all your dreams. So congratulations. Every time you need a hand or every time you need a help, I'm here for you. The Otley blogger team here for you, as well as the rest of the team. So congratulations. Thank you so much for being you. You're so funny. You are your laugh, OMG, I can't imagine. Your laugh is such an infectious laugh. So I love you so much, and congratulations for being a monetized channel. So I guess this is the end for me, and I hope I'll see you through GC, and I'll see you through every premiere you have, and of course mine and everyone else. So congratulations, and good to have a great day. Yay!
Congratulations, kapatid VIENE Marie. Wow, finally, monetize na ang iyong channel. I'm so happy sa iyong na-achieve, kapatid. This is just the start of the real battle. Nandito lang ako para sumuporta sa iyo. Again, congratulations!
Hi, VIENE Marie. Yeah, I almost forgot this video. Ayun, congratulations on your YouTube channel. Congratulations kasi finally na-monetize ka na. And looking forward na lumago pa yung YouTube channel mo. And what else? And yeah, sipagan mo pa sa, of course, live streaming and pag-upload ng video. And looking forward, of course, sa malaking revenue na dadating sa'yo. Ayan. Again, congratulations and God bless.
Bien!
Hi sis, congratulations sa'yo.
Hello, congrats dahil namoni ka na. Sana dumami pa lalong subscribers mo. Oras na para mag-celebrate. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Congrats! Bye-bye!
Hello, Sisi Bien Guapa. Oy, congratulations for being a monetized channel. Ayun na nga, andito na tayo. Sasabak na tayo sa revenue. Mahirap pero kaya natin yan, laban lang. So, paano hanggang dito na lang aking mensahe. Hindi ko na habaan. I love you! Hi, Viene Marie! Magandang buhay at congratulations for being newly monetized. You are now certified partnership of YT. So, keep growing your channel. Keep it up. Huwag magbabago. Mwah! Thank you for the friendship.
Hello, Mega VIENE Marie. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mega. Sa wakas, monetize ka na. I'm so happy for you. Naway patuloy ka pang i-bless yung channel mo. To be a blessings to others. Keep safe always. I love you, Mega. Congratulations. God bless. Bye!
Mega love shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Babatiin ko lang silang gang agoy-agoy, ang The Family Queen. Hanggang agoy-agoy, Viene Marie, congratulations sa iyong pagkamoni sa anang monetized channel. Nalampasan mo na talaga ang 4,000 hours. Ang habulin na lang ay $100. Hindi tayo magpupuyat kung hindi tayo matutulog. Charot lang. Pero totoo yan. Hanggang agoy-agoy. Hayaan mo lang yung mga tuwad dyan. Huwag mo silang pansinin. Kasi yung mga tuwad na yan, gusto lang nila yung magpahugas ng puwet at magpakamot ng singit. Kaya go ka lang.
Hello my friend VIENE Marie, congratulations to you, successful your channel and monetize. Once again, congratulations to you. I am happy for you. Have a good future and keep safe always. Bye.
Hello, pretty VIENE. Hello. How are you? Yes, I know you are so happy now. Yes, ang mga pagpupuyat, ang iyong pagpupunyagi, ang iyong mga hard work ay nagbunga na. In behalf of your Ate Twinnies Lynn Lee, yes, ito ang ate mo, Ronald Chua, and we want to wish you congratulations! Monetized channel ka na! VIENE Marie! Yes, with that, ano ba? All the best and good luck to your YouTube journey. Yes, you're on the right track. You're doing great. Keep it up. Love you.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times or bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Hello, VIENE Marie. Congratulations! Now you're a monetized channel now, Langga. I'm so very happy for your success. More blessings in your channel, in your family, especially your health, Langga. Di ba nga sabi nila health is wealth? Mahalaga yan sa ating mga YouTuber. And of course, sipagan pa. More sipag pa. Di ba? Kasi sabi nila, pag na-monetize ka, doon ka magsipag ka lalo. Di ba? Yun ang first step mo naman sa bagong journey mo. And yun lang ka, inaabangan ko pa yung success pa na darating pa sa buhay mo. And of course, I pray that God will bless you. More overflowing blessings to come. More subscribers. And of course, more love. Diba? Love from the family, from the friends in YT world. And I am very so thankful na naging part ako ng journey mo. And of course, I'm so very happy because di ba Langga, baguhan pa lang ako, but you're always welcoming me. And I appreciate it very, very much. Once again, Langga, congratulations! Keep smiling, keep shining. Because you are perfectly and wonderfully made by God. Bye!
Hello, hello, hello. Hi, sis VIENE Marie. VIENE Marie, mga guys, ang isa sa mga napakabuting kaibigan natin sa YouTube ay gusto kong i-congratulate ang ating napakasipag, napakabait na kaibigan natin na si VIENE Marie. Ayan, dahil dyan ay nagbunga na ang lahat. Monetize na ang kanyang channel, mga guys. At dahil dyan ay gusto kitang i-congratulate. Congratulations, my dear sister. Ito ang iyong Kuya William. Bumabati sa iyo ng bonggang pagbati ng congratulations for being a monetized channel. Ayan, you are now on the next level of our YouTube journey. So, lalo mo pang sipagan, lalo mo pang pagbutihin ang iyong YouTube. Ika nga. At nako, at alam ko napakaraming nagmamahal sa iyo. Ay alam ko madali mo marating ang ating threshold na $10 at $100 dahil alam ko dahil sa ikaw ay mapagmahal, masipag, mabait at yun ay lahat ng yun ay yung aalihin. Kung hindi man sa ngayon ay sa nalalapit na panahon. So again, I'd like to congratulate you. Congratulations, VIENE Marie. Ayan mga guys, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta kay VIENE Marie, ipagpatuloy lang natin ang pagsuporta sa kanya. Panoorin natin ang kanyang mga videos. At para sa ganun ay magiging successful ang kanyang journey sa YouTube. So again, congratulations and bye-bye.
Yo, yo, yo! Puy, puy, puy! Yan, kapatid VIENE Marie, congratulations! And finally, monetize na po yung channel mo. Ayan, I'm happy and proud of you, kapatid. Dahil isa ka ng ganap na vlogger. Ayan, napakasarap ng feelings. Ayan. Ayan, congratulations ulit, kapatid. At tuloy mo lang, kapatid. Tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo, magsipag ka pa para sa ikakalago ng channel mo. Andito lang kami mga kapatid mo sa mundo ni Lolo na full support sa iyo. At of course, ang ating nanay at tatay sa YouTube na si Miss Love TV, Tatay Maxer, na super supportive, super bait, no? Na grabe yung pag-support niya sa kanyang mga anak. Ayan, para lang mapalago ang bawat channel, mga kapatid, no? So, huwag mong kalimutan ang mga payo ni nanay at tatay, no? Payo ni nanay Miss Love, payo ni tatay Max Jitro, na lahat po yung kapatid ay para po sa ikakabuti, no? Para sa ikakalago po ng channel. Yan. Sundin mo lang po yung mga payo ni nanay at tatay, ha? At of course, ating boss na si Boss Bambi Rarican. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, Boss Bambi Rarican. Yan, kapatid VIENE Marie. So na pakinggan mo, sundin mo rin yung mga payo ni ni Boss Bambi Rarican, at lahat po din yan ay para po sa ikakabuti at ikakalago ng ating channel at sa yung channel, no, hindi akin at sa iyo, ha, sa yung channel, kapatid, no, ikakalago ng bawat channel na nandito sa mundo ni Lolo, no, na mga sakop at mga anak ni nanay Miss Love TV at Tatay Maxer. Ayan, congratulations ulit, kapatid, and God bless sa iyo, kapatid. Puy, puy, puy!
For VIENE Marie, congratulations, na mo ninagid ka after sa pila ka months nga pagpaningkamot, monetize channel na jud ka. So keep up, hinaot nga alagaan nimo imong pagka monetize channel. Then ang pagka monetize is mas dako siya nga challenge. So good luck. I hope that you can earn more revenues as monetized channel. Good day. Thank you.
Hello Langga, VIENE Marie. Congratulations pala sa iyong pagka-monetize. I'm so happy for you. Syempre, nakita ko yung iyong hardship, paghihirap sa pangingisda to para ma-achieve lang yung yung 1,000k tapos sa iyong 4,000 watch hour. And I'm so happy na achieve mo na yun ngayon. Congratulations. And very serious sa iyong channel kasi sometimes, di ba, nagpupunta ako sa iyong live stream and ang galing mo, ang galing-galing mo, and I love the way you entertain sa mga viewers mo. And of course, sa iyong mga contents and videos, ayan, sana madami ka pang many videos, many contents ang i-upload at aabangan namin yan. And we're always to support you. And yun lang, congratulations again, Langga VIENE Marie. Ayan, sana magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-grow ng ating mga channel sa YT, and more power to your channel, Langga. Ayan, bye-bye!
I just want to say congratulations to you because now you are a monetized channel na din, and sa mga pinaghirapan, yung lahat ng ginawa natin bilang small white YouTuber, and ngayon naabot mo na yung bilang monetized channel. So, congratulations once again and good luck. And yun lang. Thank you. Bye. God bless you. Bye. Sige lang, bye, no? So, bye.
Hello, magandang araw o gabi sa ating lahat. Gusto ko pong i-congratulate ang ating kapatid na si VIENE Marie sa kanyang pag-monetize sa kanyang channel. So, sis, alam ko malayo pang mararating ng iyong channel. So, keep on going, sis. At sa muli, congratulations. At ang aking taos-pusong pagbati. Ayan. So, mula dito sa Madrid, GNB TV channel. Adios. Salamat.
Hello my dear friend VIENE Marie, many congratulations to you for being a monetized channel, because you do lots of hard work and lots of efforts. That's why you achieve this wonderful target, my dear friend, and how supportive you are, and you support me and you support all of your friends. We all very well know about it, my dear friend, and really thankful to you also for supporting all of us. And you deserve it, my friend, because you are one of the wonderful person, one of my wonderful friend, and you deserve many more than that. I pray to God that you will got lots of wonderful success in your life in YT world. Just keep uploading our wonderful videos, keep sharing our wonderful videos with us, and really thankful to you, my dear friend, for supporting me also. And just keep doing the hard work and keep continuing your work, and just enjoy the YT channel, my dear friend. Lots of love to you, lots of wonderful wishes to you from India. And I am very happy today because you are monetized, and I'm really thankful to God that I find you here in YT world. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Really appreciate your support. Thank you so much to you.
Hello Langga, congratulations sa pagiging monetized channel mo na. I'm happy for you, and andito lang ako lagi nakasupport sa iyo kahit minsan di mo nakikita, but I'm there. Congratulations and more blessings to come. Love you. Mwah.
Sis Sheila, congratulations. Sa wakas na monetize na rin. Grabe yung pinagdaanan natin, no, lalo na sa Watch Hour. But at least thank you God. Congratulations again. Love you, Mama.
Mga youths, it's me, Terry Hill. May gusto ko rin babatiin din sa isang friend ko sa YT World na si VIENE Marie. Uy, Day! Congrats, Day! Dahil monetize na yung imong channel, Day. Good luck, Day. Good luck sa stress. Charot. Welcome to YT Stress World. Joke lang. Ito daw mag-enjoy lang kita. Enjoy lang kita sa YT, no? Na normal din yung ma-stress tayo, ate ko das. Ito daw once again, Day. Congrats, Day. Dahil monetize na jud ka, Day. Good luck. Ingat and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, VIENE Marie or Sheila. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite mo sa akin at pagtiwala mo sa akin. Sana, congratulations, nakamit mo na rin. Nag-graduate na rin. Marami na tayong mga monetized channel. Kaya, hindi pa tayo tapos sa ating paglalakbay sa YouTube. Marami pang pagdaanan natin. Kaya wag lang mawala ng pag-asa at magtiwala lang sa sarili at mag-ipon ng maraming organic friends
Kaya, maraming salamat and congratulations. Nalagpasan mo na yung mga pagsubok. At God bless us all and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you all. Love you. Love you. Share. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
VIENE Marie, the family girl, congratulations dahil monetize na yung channel. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung sipag at pag-upload mo ng content. Ayan, keep safe, God bless, and more power to your channel.
Hello, Sis VIENE Marie. By the way, congratulations to you. After all, na-monetize ka na. So, ano ba bang masasabi ko? Congrats and ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano ang iyong nasimulan ha. Be happy, contented, and more blessings